little bit of an impromptu one. It's dinner time, and I'm quite hungry actually, to be honest with you. And some of the crew is hungry too. So chicken in the fridge. And what I thought we'd do is just do a little quick, very, very quick chicken stir fry, chicken curry. Like I said, very impromptu this. I wasn't planning on filming today, but I'm a bit on the old hungry side. So let's pop that in there. Let's get a little bit of oil in. So how you all doing? You all doing good? Hope so. Thanks very much for all the great comments that we're getting. I'm glad you're enjoying the videos that I'm putting on. And the thing is, it's all food that we eat in the house. Mrs. Taylor cooks, who doesn't cook, eats every meal, and she gives me a rating out of 10. So no pressure there really. So a bit of salt and pepper. And all I've got, like I said, is chicken in here. Chicken breast out of the fridge, uncooked. And all I'm going to do is to make a very, very quick stir fry chili. There we go, chili. Honeyhan. Right down there. Yeah, so I was on about the comments. Got some great comments from all of you. Some lovely feedback, and some of you guys have tried the recipes, which is excellent. And they've commented great results. So that's all I can wish for. Everything is natural, there's no E-numbers, and all we're doing is making it as tasty and as quick as we possibly can. And that is going to be the ingredients just there. Got our chicken, this is how quick it is. Salt. A bit of pepper. Chicken's looking good. Let's get the onions in. Just keep the chilies back a little bit. So we've got some garlic and a little bit of ginger. Chilies in. A little bit of soy sauce. Smells really, really good. Some rice in. Soy sauce. Okay, let's get it served up. Very quick. Chicken, fried rice, and we're going to have on top of that some Chinese curry.